Good evening, and welcome to Delicious News. I'm your host, Mrs. Delicious, and in this episode, we're providing you a list of some important food items that you absolutely need in your pantry during a crisis. We have Mr. Delicious live on location at a local grocery store assessing the situation. Mr. Delicious, can you hear me?
Hi Mrs. Delicious, I'm here live on location right now, and as you can see, the shelves behind me are practically bare. They're barren like a barren wasteland. They're barren like a tundra with tumbleweeds. I can tell you one thing for sure, it is a little bit of a frenzy out here. However, it's not too much of a frenzy and you shouldn't be concerned. There are some options left over, Mrs. Delicious, and we are going to take a look at some of those options right now. And first on the list would be the trusty old peanut butter. The shelves are full with peanut butter and it's still so delicious. I'm actually hungry right now because I've been spending all my time looking for toilet paper. Number 2 item, quinoa, is a great thing, and I've seen tons of it on the shelves, and it has a great nutritional value. And quinoa can last a very long time on the shelves, it has a great shelf life. Canned foods are an excellent thing to stock during the quarantine. Well, there wasn't any Chef Boyardee, so we're gonna have to go with chickpeas and vegetarian chili. But that's okay, this will fill my belly. I love chickpeas.
Thanks for the tips, Mr. Delicious. My dog actually loves peanut butter as well. Not sure about the cat, but in a time of crisis, that might change.
That's right, Mrs. Delicious. The cat may have to switch to peanut butter if it comes to it. Beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more full of beans you'll be. Beans are excellent because they have nutrients and they're packed with calories. And you could probably soak them for about 3 days and eat them.
All right, well thanks for that, Mr. Delicious. And while you're there, can you tell me if there are any chicky nuggies?
No, there are no chicky nuggies.
Okay, what about Kraft Dinner?
No, it doesn't look like there is any Kraft Dinner.
Jesus. Wow, well then, okay. Thank you.
I'm just on my way to take a walk over to the toilet paper aisle of the current location I'm at right now. As you can see behind me, the shelves are completely bare. Oh, look at that. The last roll of toilet paper right here. I'm gonna stockpile this and take it home. Back to you, Mrs. Delicious.
I hope you enjoyed tonight's segment. And this is Mrs. Delicious signing off. And don't forget to like and subscribe that little bell right there for more videos just like this.